welcome to Sherry's Decor and More. This is Sherry. Thank you for viewing my video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my page, please do so. Thank you. Today we are going to DIY this open frame. Hello, Ruben. To my YouTube channel, I do have a live audience, so you might hear me chatting with people, and that's why. Okay. Ruben, I said I wasn't coming back until 2:30, but because of another commitment, I decided to knock out this next live. Not the birdhouses, not the globes I was going to do. This one's going to be an open frame to hang on your wall, or to just sit on a table, or whatever you want to do. So I have this open frame here, and I have my paint sticks. This frame, because pretty sure someone will ask, is an 14 by 18. Okay. So these paint sticks fit going in this direction versus this direction. So I'm going to do it in this direction. Thank you, Ruben. So let's glue these on. I've already kind of spaced them out to see if it was the right length for this, for what I need it for, and they are. They'll fit horizontally, and they'll fit side by side to go all the way across evenly. These sticks have these grooves. These are the regular paint sticks. They have the groove out there. I'm going to alternate how I put those down. Like this one's groove is up here. This one's groove is going to be down here on the other end. It's just a design that I want to do with it. You can put them all on the same end and put a ribbon going through it for a design. I'm not doing mine that way. I just want to do it this way. Just hot gluing these down. With no sound. You're funny, Amy. Sorry, I don't know sign language for you, chick. These paint sticks also have a kind of a dip side and then a beveled side right here. I'm putting the end that comes out down through here, face down to glue, because it makes contact with the surface better than the dip side. So you notice I haven't pre-stained these or anything, because I don't want it pre-stained, because that's not how I'm coloring it. And see what I did? Just made a wood piece. This piece of wood, right? This one is, the wood piece curves inward like, so I don't mind that. I don't mind that hole there. I alternated these so you have the equal amount of separation on the ends, and you can actually run ribbon down those in and out of those little top indents of your stick. You can run ribbons down both sides if you want to, after you're done with your design. Let me see if I want to do this. might add 2 sticks on each side when I'm done, but I have other sticks downstairs that's not these paint sticks, they're bamboo sticks, and I might add those to the back just for support, if nothing else. Okay, I'm going to use white sage. It's really called, what is this really called? Where's my glasses? Sandra, I wasn't coming back till later, but hello, Miss Carol. This is called Spanish moss, and this one is called nautical. Yeah. I wasn't going to come back until later. However, I have another commitment that would run into that time for someone who's coming from out of state to pick up their order. So I didn't want anything to interfere with that, so I came back early. So I didn't have the birdhouse to do, ready, prep to do, or I didn't have the globe designs ready to do, so I'm doing this. So tomorrow I'll do one of those other ones. Okay? So, wait till you see this crazy paint job. Now I'm trying to decide if I think that if it's used, it would be cute like this. If it's used in a hanging way, then I could paint it in that vertical. So here's what I'm going to do. And I don't think I've lost my mind when I start painting this, because you have to have a mind to lose, first of all, and second of all, it's just the way I'm going to be painting this, okay? So here we go. Let me hit the solid around this wall here. Who's safe? What are you talking about, Charlotte? Charlotte Ann. Because I don't have a mind to lose. My sister's being a over there. Okay. I think I'll practically hit this that I was going to miss, but I'm going to do that anyway for a backdrop of paint here. Okay. There's one. From losing your mind. I knew what you meant. You're not my friend no more. Gonna dry this right quick, and I do mean right quick. It dries fast. Don't let her fool you. She's the mean twin. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with some green. What I say it was? Spanish moss. Spanish moss. Let's see. I think I'll hit it right through here. The reason why you want to dry between these steps is because you don't want to smear one color on top of the other color. You don't want it to become a smear effect. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm going to use this blue. I really, not mean, but I mean if somebody can open up a door like that. She is mean. She be lying right now. Tell the truth and shame the devil, girl. Okay, now I'm going in here with some blue. These are pretty fun nautical colors, aren't they? I have to decide what color I want the actual frame to be out of these three colors. I think I like the blue, but I like the green too. I don't want it to be white. That's what I don't want it to be. Now, I'm going to take a pretty dry white brush and I'm going to go over this green and blue, and that's just to give it a tone down. If that makes sense to you guys. I don't want a lot of paint on my brush. I just want it very light. You have to dry your paint in between doing this. If you don't dry your paint each time you do this, you're just going to have it all smeared. They're not going to have their look. You know what I'm saying? You're just going to end up with it smeared into each other. That's what we got so far. Okay. Okay, Sandra, I'll do a green on here. I will paint the back of this the same color, okay, as that green. It's not right now at this very second. I got green on my hands. Okay, I have these handles here, and I'm going to put them on the shorter ends of this frame. Again, this frame is a 18 by 14. It's a pretty good size. Just could look even pretty as a backdrop of something sitting in front of it on your mantle or what have you. I'm going to go through and hit this edges of this. Let some of that natural wood pop back out of it. And just to give it that two-tone green on it. You see how it made it kind of a lighter streak around the edge of it. That's just where I just hit it with the sandpaper. Okay. I have these little handles that will fit on here perfect. Just going to glue them here. They're just some old rustic looking handles that I have. Well, I'm glad that was pretty equal, because I just slapped that right down on there like I meant it. I did mean it, but I didn't even see it if it looked like it was in the right spot. But it come out looking pretty good.